Hello everyone, we are doing application of trigonometry board question. A larger aircraft have door sill. So what is a door sill? Door sill is here, which I am marking with the red color. So in larger aircraft there is a door sill which is 5 to 20 feet above the ground, and there is a staircase marking with the blue color which is used to facilitate boarding and deboarding from the aircraft. They have given the door sill is 50 meter above the ground and a stair car is placed 50 feet horizontal from the plane of the ground. So this is given 15, this is given 15. We need to find the angle. So find the angle at which stairs are inclined to reach the door sill 15 feet above the ground. So tan theta, let this be theta. So tan theta equal to AC by AB, which gives you tan theta 15 by 15, and theta, tan theta is 1 at 45 degree, so theta comes out to be 45 degree. Next part, you have to find the height, length of the stairs to reach the door sill. That means you have to find BC. So to find BC, we can use sin theta or sin 45, as we already calculated theta is 45. Sin 45 is 15 by BC, and sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 equal to 15 by BC. So BC comes out to be 15 root 2 feet. After this, we have to calculate a 20 meter long stairs is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So given to us a stair which is 20 meter long, and we have to find the height of the door sill. That means we have to find AC. So sin 60 degree equal to AC by BC. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 equal to AC by 20. So AC comes out to be 20 root 3 by 2, which is 10 root 3. Putting the value of root 3, 10 into 1.73, which gives you 17.3 feet. Next, we have to find the shortest possible. Further, we have to find the shortest possible length of the stairs to reach 20 feet above the ground. So this is 20 feet above the ground, and the angle is given 30 degree. So the length of the stairs, that means we need to find BC. So sin 30 degree equal to AB by BC. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 equal to 20 by BC, which gives you BC as 40 feet. Further, you need to find the horizontal distance of the base of the stair car. That means we need to find AC. So tan 30 degree equal to AB by AC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to 20 by AC. So AC comes out to be 20 root 3. So putting the value of root 3, AC is equal to 20 into 1.73, which gives you 6 to 4, 34.60 feet.